Hello everyone, my name is Sarah Abdul Rasool and I am a student at Bahrain Polytechnic. Today I am going to show you my project for the Object-Oriented Design course, which is about developing an online learning platform desktop application for both teachers and students. So the first thing that will appear to the users when they run the application is the login form where they can enter their email and password. So we will start talking about the teacher role. We will begin by creating a new account by clicking on the Create Account button. The sign-up form will appear to the user and ask them to enter their details. So we will enter the first name, the last name, the email, and the password, CPR, and we will select the teacher role, then the department. For this example, I'm going to choose the IT department. Then the courses that are assigned to the IT department will be listed down below. We will select the Unix system course and the Programming 1 course, then click on the Register button. Once the user registers a new account, the teacher panel will appear to the user. So there are 5 features that the teachers can take advantage of while using the application. The first feature is about uploading materials. Here we can see the upload materials form. So the teachers should select a course that they would like to upload materials to. For this example, I'm going to choose Programming 1. So they can upload document, image, audio file, and also a video link. So I'm going to upload a document. For example, I'm going to choose this document. And I'm going to upload an image. I'm going to select this image. Here I'm going to upload a file, an audio file. And here I'm going to paste a video link and then click the submit button. So a message box will appear. The second feature is about managing the uploaded materials. So I'm going to click on the manage materials button. Then the teachers should select a course. So I'm going to choose the Programming 1 because we have already uploaded materials to this course. So here we can see the uploaded document, image, audio file, and video. So for example, if we want to delete one of the materials, we just have to select, like for example, I'm going to delete this audio file. So I'm going to select on this audio file and press the delete button. So as we can see, the audio file has been deleted already. The third feature is about sending an email and review the received email by students. So we will start by clicking on the send email button. So this form will appear to the teachers. Here they must select the student email and here to write the content of the email. By default, the from text box will automatically fill with the teacher email, which is here amal@gmail.com. If the teacher clicks on the send button without specifying the student email, this message box will appear to the users, says that please select the person you wish to send this email to. So we will select the student email. For example, here we have Hawara. And we will also try to click on the send button without writing any content. So this message box will appear to the user, says please write your email. So we will type a random content here and then click on the send button. So the email sent successfully. Here we can view the email received by students by clicking on the View Email button. Because this is a fresh teacher, we don't have any received emails, but if the teacher received an email, here will be displayed the email of the student, and here will be displayed the content of the email. The last feature is about changing the user password. So we will start by clicking on the Change button, and the Change Password form will appear to the user. Ask them to enter the old password, the new password, and confirm the new password. So first we will write a wrong old password, then enter the new password and confirm it. Now we will click on the Submit button. A message box will appear to the user says that the old password is incorrect. So we will enter the correct old password, but the confirm password will not match the new password, and then click on the Submit button. So a message box will appear to the user says that the new password and the confirm password does not match. So now we will match them both, then click on the Submit button. So a message box will appear to the user says the password changed successfully. So now we will talk about the student role. We will start by writing an already registered student email, and we will write a wrong password. Then click on the Login button. So a message will be displayed to the users to ask them to enter a valid email and password. So we will write the correct password and click on the Login button. So the Students panel will appear to the user, which consists of 6 features. The first feature is about viewing the registered courses by clicking on the View button. So here the students can see their registered courses. For here, Hawra is registered in the Unix system, information security, web fundamental, and mobile development courses. The second feature is about writing a feedback for a particular teacher. So we will click on the Send button, and this form will appear to the user. So the user should select the course. For example, I'm going to choose the Unix system course. Then the teacher combo box will be filled with all the teachers that teach the Unix system course. So I'm going to choose teacher Sarah, and I'm going just to click on Send button. So a message box will appear, says that we should write the feedback. Like I'm going to write a random feedback. And click on the Send button. So this message box will appear, says that the feedback sent. The third feature is about writing an email to a teacher. So we will click on the Send button, and this form will appear to the user. So if the user just click on the Send button, this message box will appear, say that we should select the person that we would like to send this email to. So we will select teacher Sarah, and the From text box will automatically filled with the student email, which is Hawra, and he will write the content. Then click on the Send button. So the email sent successfully. The next features is about changing the user password, which follow the same procedures we talked about before in this video, where the user should enter the old password, the new password, and the confirm password. So we will move on to the next feature, which is about download the materials assigned to the courses. So we will click on the View button. Here the user should select a course. For example, we will choose the Unix system course. Here we can see all the assigned materials by teacher for the Unix system course. For example, if we want to download and open this document, we can click on the download button and the document will be open to the student. If we want to open an image, we can click on the image, then click on the download button and the image will be opened. Next, the audio file. We can select here which application should open the audio file, and last, the video link, which will redirect us to here to this video. The last features is about the alerts. The student can see and view all the alerts sent by the system administrator. Here we can see the date of the alert and the content of the alert. So the last thing that I'm going to talk about is the admin role. So I have already entered the administrator email and password, so I'm going to log into the application. Here we can see the admin panel form where it lists the features that the admin can take advantage of during using the application. The first feature that I'm going to talk about is adding a new departments and courses. So I'm going to click on the add button and this form will appear to the admin. So I'm going to add a new department, for example, pharmacy, and click on the submit button. So the department added successfully. Now I'm going to add a new course to a particular department. So here I can choose which department, for example, business, and the new course is going to be marketing, for example. Then click on the submit button. So the course added successfully. The second feature is about managing departments, courses, and staff information. So we will click on the manage button and this form will appear to the admin. So here we can see all the departments, all the courses, and all the staff information. So for example, we want to update the name of the departments like human rights. I'm going just to say law and then click on the update button. So the department name changed. But what if I want to delete the business department? So I'm going to click on the delete button and the business department will be deleted. And we can see here all the courses that involved in the business department will be deleted. For example, we have added before the marketing course. Now we can't see the department course listed here because we have already deleted the business department. Move on to the courses. For example, we want to change the course name. We can change the programming 1 to programming 2, then click on the update button. So it will change. But what if we want to delete the mobile development course? We select the course, then click on the delete button. So the course deleted successfully. The last thing is the staff information. For example, we want to change Hawra, student last name Yasser to Muhammad. So we will click on the update button and it will change. And what if we want to delete this teacher, which is Amal? We will click on the Amal and then click on delete. So the teacher deleted successfully. The last feature is about viewing all the feedback written by the students for the teachers. So I'm going to click on the view button and if we can see all the feedback written for a particular teacher, so I'm going to select here teacher Sarah. Here we can see all the feedback along with the course ID for each feedback. The last features is about sending alerts to the students. So the admin can click on the send button and write the content of the alerts here. So I'm going to write a random text. Then click on the send button. So these are all the features that the students, teachers, and admin can take advantage of while using this application. Thank you all for your listening and wish you a happy day.